Hi everyone, Forex for beginners, students, and hi Ali Sahid. This is a shout out, for all your efforts at putting up this course material. Previous to this studying, I had struggled to understand some basic concepts, especially use of metaphor trading app, and also the use of TradingView, and also how to identify structures, and drawing of trend lines. I have been trading, but making series of losses. So going through this course, I now discovered that I was just gambling. Really, I was just gambling. Lose trades. Serial. I was on a losing streak. So thank you for taking your time out. Sometimes I wonder if I'll be able to do this. If you had a choice, it's free, and you had to take out your time to give us this content and your knowledge all for free. I really appreciate, and all to all the students of beginners for Forex. Keep on grinding, keep on grinding, keep on grinding. This is the best thing that happened to me, stumbling upon this YouTube page, and eventually I had to join the course. Thanks, and I'll encourage everyone that stumbles upon this or sees this. It just takes time, man. It's not difficult. You just go through, do everything it says, and at the end of the day you thank yourself for it. So thank you, Ali. I appreciate this from Lagos, Nigeria, Lasgidi. Thanks. Shout out.